Hey, new face on YouTube. This is TWBH doing a first opening of the Macbook Pro for one of the YouTube heavy hitters, DLB1752. DLB1752. So without further ado, I will open this. I got the Macbook Pro i7 13.3 inch screen, the Magic Mouse, and then the Case Logic case, which is pretty simple, but I got it because it has the pocket, which the I Love did not. So let's check it out. Alright. Got this at the U.S. Navy Exchange. Took advantage of that tax-free status. So, good stuff. Saved quite a bit. So this is pretty cool here. Just a simple pad designed by Apple in California. Great state. Let's see. There's a plug. These recharge things that comes with Apple stuff, and computer itself, nice and compact, pretty thin, and looks like it has a couple little papers here. Everything Mac and everything else. I don't know what that means yet, but I will. Alright, so also check out this mouse here. Not much to all this stuff, I guess, until you turn it on. But finally a Mac user after all these years. The Sony Vaio, you know, I'm sensing it's on its last legs. It's 2006. Thank you to David Banther for convincing me to get this Mac. He tells me once you go Mac, you never go back. So we got a little brochure in there. And, looks like it's just taped on. This is a $68 mouse. It's got some kind of laser thing here. It's like an on-off. That's about it. So I'm gonna learn how to use this stuff. And this one's for you, DLB1752, YouTube heavy hitter.